Hi and welcome to the Greenbird Bead Kingdom. My name is Tatiana and I'm here with the new tutorial. Several lovely designs for St. Valentine's Day. Earrings, ring, a necklace, a choker. Everything that I'm using can be found at your local bead store. I've took my supplies from my store, the Greenbird, the Bead Kingdom. Here I will show you what I have. I have some lovely heart-shaped pendants in different sizes and two colors, gold tone and silver tone, several sizes, bigger, smaller. So there they are. And I'm going to use these for my designs. Design number one, I'm going to take this ultra suede cord, 130 centimeters long, and I'm going to take the biggest and the loveliest pendant I have. Then I'm taking my pliers and the jump ring. So I'm holding the jump ring with one tool and with the other I'm opening it. Then I'm going to put my pendant on here and then close the jump ring like this. And now I'm going to take my cord and insert this into this ring, just like this. I'm going to put this heart in the middle of my cord, like this. And that's it. Actually, the choker, the pendant is ready. I'm going to tie a bow. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do it like this. Go around and then I'm going to make a bow here, like this. Okay, perfect. The choker is ready. I'm going to bring this bow here to the right side of my neck. And that's it. Design number two, earrings. Actually, this is the most simple earring I have ever made. I'm going to take my earring, finding this loop. It opens and it closes just like this. And I'm going to take a pendant and I'm going to put it on here, close. Then I'm going to do this with the other one. And that's it. The earrings are ready. So, and the other design, I'm going to take bigger ear wires and bigger heart. And I'm going to do it like this. Now I have this finding. This is called bail. And it has this loop here. I'm going to open it with my tool, just like this. Then I'm going to put a heart shape pendant here and then close it. And that's it. Now I'm going to put it on earring finding, like this. And the other one is going to be without the heart. So this is asymmetrical earrings. Very lovely, very beautiful, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And the design number, what, 3 or 4? I forgot. I guess 4. So now we're going to take this chain. We have this lovely chain. It looks very beautiful. It looks very gorgeous. And I'm going to decorate this chain with pendants. Different sizes, different colors will look very beautiful. So I'm going to take this jump ring, open it like this. Then I'm going to put it onto my chain like this. And then a pendant goes here. Now I'm closing this jump ring with my other tool, just like this. And this is how it looks like. You can leave it as it is, as single pendant on the chain, or add more for a very interesting, sophisticated look. If you add more hearts in different colors, different sizes, so your necklace will look like this. By the way, they can be worn together. Actually, they will look nice together. I'm going to try them on, just like this. And now design number, the last one. I'm going to take jump ring, open it. Then I'm going to put on this lovely heart-shaped pendant onto my jump ring, just like this. And now I'm going to put my ring finding from this side. Then I'm going to close the ring. And here it is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The ring is ready. It looks like this. It's very lovely, very gorgeous, and it's so perfect. So here they are, 5 easy, very beautiful designs for your St. Valentine's holiday. Don't forget to like this video if you actually like this video. I hope you really do. Don't forget to write the comments in the comments box. And please subscribe to our channel because we are going to post more nice, very lovely, trendy beading and jewelry making tutorials on our channel, the Greenbird Bead Kingdom. Tatiana was here. I hope you liked this. I hope you liked this. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye!